Oh, yes! Look at that insane cheese pull! Today, we're making loaded chicken tikka pizza fries. You are gonna love this!
Yay! Tiny Chef Universe!
First, we need to cut our potatoes. Soak them in water to get them super crispy. Now, let's parboil them in salted water. This is the secret, trust me. Make sure they're completely dry. We fry them twice for that ultimate crunch. Now, let's prepare our juicy chicken tikka. Coat it completely in that flavor. Let it cook for just a few minutes. Then, shred it into perfect bites. Let's build the layers. First go our crispy fries. Then, lots of cheese. Lots of cheese and pizza sauce. Now, scatter our tasty chicken tikka. Add some onions, capsicum, for that fresh pizza flavor. Finish with more cheese, of course. For the final touch, black olives, chili flakes, and oregano. Into the oven it goes. Bake at 180 degrees until it's bubbly and perfect. Wow, it smells amazing! Look at these perfect pizza fries. That is so good! You definitely have to try this. Bye, see you next time!
Bye-bye!